Okay. Hi, this is Prashant Gupta. Welcome to Chanakya classes. Today's my topic is that conversion of cost value into the sales or conversion of sales value into the cost. In other words, when cost of goods sold is given, you have to find out sales value, or when sales is given to you, find out cost of goods sold. Okay, this is see this is made through one simple equation, that is cost plus profit is equal to sales. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Now I explain through one example, then you can understand better. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Goods which are sold. Goods which are sold. Goods which are sold. Its cost. Example. Example. It is 1 lakh rupees. Okay na? Cost of goods sold. Example 1 lakh rupees. And profit percentage given to you. Profit on cost. Profit on cost. Example given to you 25%. Profit on cost given to you 25%. Find out sales value. In this example, in this first example, cost of goods sold is given 1 lakh. Profit on cost percent is given to you 25%. You have to find out sale value. It means cost is given to you. You take the percentage of profit, then convert into sale value. Now, see, I solve this one. I take one small equation. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Now, profit you take 25 as it is here. Then I said this profit on what? On cost. See, all percentages we measure out of 100. So here percentage that we measure out of 100, that is we assume here cost is equal to 100. Why cost is equal to 100? Because profit is given on what? On cost. So do you know cost? Yes, I know cost. Okay na? So when profit on cost is given, that cost you assume 100. Then sale is equal to cost plus profit. Sale is equal to 125. Now equation completed. Then what we do next? Say, in this case, cost 1 lakh is given to you. That cost, this cost is equal to how much in equation? I repeat once again. Cost is given to you 1 lakh. That cost in the equation how much? 100. What you have to find out? You have to find out sale value. So sale is how much in the equation? 125. Sale is how much in the equation? 125. 125. How much? Okay na? When this situation, do a cross multiplication. Now 1 lakh into 125 by 100 is equal to 1,25,000. Now this is called, therefore sales is equal to 1,25,000. Some people says that now why, see for example, sir, cost we know now, sir, cost is equal to 1 lakh, sir. On this we add profit 1 lakh into 25 by 100. It is 25,000, sir. So sale is equal to 1 lakh 25 now. So we can get this one. Yeah, this is also another method. This is also another method you can apply. But be careful, this method is for example not possible in all the cases, okay, because there are some problems are there. So that is why what I am doing here, when cost of goods sold is given, when profit on cost is given, then find out the sale value. In that case, first you write equation. Always this equation you have to write cost plus profit is equal to sale. You take 25% profit as it is below the profit. This percentage we always measure out of 100. So here 100 we take for cost. Why? Because profit on cost is given. So cost is equal to 100. Sir, for example, profit on sale is given. Then what we do? Then we assume sale is equal to 100. Then sale is equal to 100. But here profit on cost is given. That is why cost is equal to 100. Then sale is equal to 125. Next one. Cross multiplication. See, in this case, cost is given to you 1 lakh. That is 100 in the equation. 100 in the equation. What we have to find out? Sale you have to find out. Sale is equal to how much in the equation? 125. Cross multiplication. 1 lakh into 125 by 100. You can get directly sale. Okay, now this is one example. Then I go to the next example. Next problem. Cost of goods sold. Example, 1 lakh. Cost of goods sold is equal to 1 lakh. Profit on sales. Profit on sales. How much? Say for example 20% is given. Then find sales value. This is a question. Now in this case, what we have to do? First you have to write equation. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Okay, na? Profit. Cost plus profit is equal to sale. Now equation. 20% profit you take below the profit. In this problem we have to take the sales as 100. Why? All percentages are measured out of 100. Yes or no? Okay. So that 100 we have to assume which one? Here on sale is given na? On sale is given na? Sale is equal to 100. In the previous problem, on cost is given. I took cost is equal to 100. On cost is given. That is a cost is equal to 100. Now in this case, sale on sale. That is why sale is equal to 100. Then cost is equal to how much? 80. 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Now next, what is the next step? In this problem, cost of goods sold is given how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh cost of goods sold, that is equal to how much in the equation? 80. How much? 80. What you have to find out? You have to find out how much? Sale. For 100 how much? Then cross multiplication, 1 lakh into 100 by 80. So it comes to how much? 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. So it is 21 lakh divided by 4, 25,000 into 5. So answer is 1,25,000. So your sales is 1,25,000. So you can find out like this. Cost of goods sold 1 lakh is given. Profit on sale is given 20%. Find the sale value. In this case, first you write equation cost plus profit is equal to sale. Now 20% you write below the profit. Always in the previous problem also I written like this only. Below the profit I written percentage. Now in this case also profit. Below the profit you write 20%. Next, now we have to measure the percentage out of 100. In this case, profit on sale is given. Sale is equal to 100. Then cost how much? 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Now what to do? What value is given? Cost of goods sold value is given 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to how much in the equation? 80. Then what you have to find out? Sale. How much in the equation? 100. For 100 how much? Cross multiplication. 1 lakh into 100 divided by 80. Sales is equal to 1,25,000. So this is another interesting point. Next we will go to the next example. I will go to third example. Sales rupees 1 lakh. Profit on sales 25%. Find cost. Okay now. So in this problem, sale is given 1 lakh. Profit on sale 25%. So sales is given now. You have to find out cost. Now my regular explanation is you have to write first of all equation cost plus profit is equal to sales. Now 25 you write below the profit. He said 25% profit on sale. So I assume sale is equal to 100. Then cost is equal to 75. Next one, what is in the problem? 1 lakh is equal to what? Sales. Here sales is equal to how much? 100. Okay now, what you have to find out? Cost. Cost how much in the equation? 75. Now here cross multiplication, 1 lakh into 75 by 100. So how much it is? 75 divided by 100. Okay. Example 25 3 ja 25 4 ja. 1 lakh divided by 4. 25,000. 25,000 into 3. So answer is 75,000 is the cost. 75,000 is the cost. Getting a? Yeah. You can do in simple way also. 1 lakh into 25%, 25,000. That profit you deduct from the sales, that is equal to 75,000. I told you now that is not always possible, because if you are practiced, when you are become expert, you can do directly like that also. So in the learning stage, better you follow these simple steps, then you'll understand. Once you understand the topic, you can do in any simple calculation. You can simplify the problem. You can simplify than me also. Next we'll go to the next example, fourth example. Now for example, sales is given to you. Sales 1 lakh rupees. Profit on cost. How much? Example 20%. Okay na? Find out cost. First you write equation. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Now percentage you take as it is 20. Here profit on cost. So cost is equal to 100. Now it is equal to, sales is equal to 120. Now next what we do? What is given the problem? Sale is given. Sale how much? 1 lakh rupees. So in the equation, sale represented by how much percentage? 120. Now what to find out the problem? Cost. How much in the equation? Cost is 100. Cross multiplication. 1 lakh into 100 by 120. Now how to solve this one? 1 0 cancel. So 2 5 ja 2 6 ja. Okay na? Now 1 lakh divided by 6. It comes to how much? 1 lakh divided by, okay, otherwise 1 lakh into 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs divided by 6. So you have to do like this. This comes to you. So 1 lakh into 100 by 120. It comes to you 83,333. I read it very clearly. 83,333. So this is what your cost. Getting a? First once again, sale is given to you 1 lakh. Profit on cost 20%. Find out cost. So first equation, cost plus profit is equal to sales. Then here profit, 20% you write below the profit. On cost is mentioned. Then I take cost is equal to 100. Then sale is equal to 120. 100 plus 20, 120. What is given the problem? Sale is given 1 lakh. That sales represented by how much in the equation? 120. You take 120. Okay, now what to find out? Cost. Cost in equation 100. You take 100. Now cross multiplication. 1 lakh into 100 by 120. Then you will get cost is equal to 83,333. So when you are thorough with these 4 illustration, 4 examples, then you can find out or you can convert cost into sales, cost into sales, sales into cost, sales into cost. Okay, now these are especially useful to students in final accounts, sale or return approval basis, and joint venture topic, and consignment topic. Okay, so there are some topics are there. In those topics, these are very relevant. So that is why student, you always remember one point that you cannot directly apply the percentage. You cannot directly apply the percentage. Not always, always you cannot apply the percentage, this profit on the given value. You cannot directly apply the percentage on the given value. Reason you cannot apply. Reason, here cost is given to you, and percentage of profit should also be given on cost. Sometimes here situation that in second illustration, cost value is given, but this 20% profit is given on sale. So in this case, you cannot, if you apply 1 lakh into 20%, you will not get answer. But in this case, see, 1 lakh into 25% profit is equal to 25,000 profit. How? Say, now sales is equal to 1,25,000, cost is equal to 1 lakh as given, then profit is equal to 25,000. This 25,000, how can you get? On 1 lakh, if you apply 20%, you will get 25,000 directly. But when you come to this situation, cost is how much? 1 lakh. Profit on sale is given. Profit on sale. So in this case, if you write 1 lakh into 20 by 100, this will be mistaken. This will be wrong. You cannot apply. So that is why I developed this formula, cost plus profit is equal to sales. So you can go through like this one. Percentage is given, so that you write below the profit. Then 100, you have to assume 100. What to assume? If it is on sale is given, sale is equal to 100. If on cost is given, cost is equal to 100. That's it only. Okay, na? So repeatedly practice problems, then you will understand this topic very clearly. I'm telling now, in the final account, they give, for example, they give you cost of goods sold. They ask you calculate the gross profit, or they ask you calculate the sales, or they give you sales and they also ask you to calculate the cost of goods sold. Sometimes there may be a closing stock missing figure. Sometimes sales may be missing figure. Sometimes they may give you say for example, all the information they give you, then you have to find out missing figure, any missing figure. If sales is given, cost is given, there will be missing figure of profit. Or for example, they give you profit and through that you can calculate the sale value, through that you can calculate the what you call as cost. So there are many missing figures are there, so that you can find out. Thank you. Bye-bye.